great pride and deep sense of appreciation to welcome you all to this special occasion. The closing ceremony of the 15-day internal security operations and close quarter battle refresher training.
Ako at pagsubok, naka-alerto sa bawat oras at minuto, nakaantabay pag dumating man ang dilog.
As well as the opening of the new class of the same force to our newly assigned personnel, the FPPU graduates.
Ularan at kapayapaan upang matatamasa ang magandang kinabukasan.
Ladies and gentlemen, happy welcome our guest of honor speaker, the Acting Deputy Regional Director for Administration of Police Regional Office 9, Police Colonel Romeo Alas Espero Jr., sir.
For the combination of the 15-day Internal Security Operations Course and the opening of the close quarter battle refresher training.
Regional Mobile Force Batalyon handa, laging alerto, ano man ang hamon isigurado, nakahanda, laging alerto. Regional Mobile Force Batalyon loaded, loaded, we are ready to go. We march ahead with full might, bringing.
Sir, it is my honor to present to you the 64th. Strong participants of the 15-day Internal Security Operations and Close Quarter Battle Refresher Training ready for completion, sir.
Because we save our lives, our hearts, to God we dedicate. Pasulong, sabay-sabay, inyong gabay, ang katuwang ninyo sa tagumpay. Puso at isipan, kami nakatuon. Regional Mobile Force Batalyon handa, laging alerto, ano ba ng hamon ay sigurado. Nakahanda, laging alerto. Regional Mobile Force Batalyon handa, laging alerto, ano ba ng hamon ay sigurado. Nakahanda, laging alerto. RMFP Aguila 9, RMFP 9, Aguila 9.
I now declare the 64 participants successfully completed the 15-day internal security operations and close quarter battle refresher training.